Hi, this is Guillaume for Spotahome Paris, and today we are Rue Médéric in La Garenne-Colombe, which is a little suburb very close to Paris. And the flat that I'm going to show you today is a shared room property, so there's one room to rent. And the landlords live in the rest of the house. So this is a house, but I can't show you the whole house because it's occupied right now. So we're just gonna see the bathroom, which is just here, and the toilets and bedroom. So you see, it's really nice here. You have the sink in the corner here. There's a real bathtub, which is really nice. And you have storage in this corner. There's a washing machine here, and there's a dryer too. And this is the toilets. So you have a sink here too. And the toilet is just there. And you have storage up there and up there. And now we're gonna take a few steps to the second floor, because the bathroom and toilets are on the first floor of the house. And this is the bedroom to rent. It's really cozy, really nice. There's an amazing view in the garden. It's a very quiet neighborhood. And we're just less than 10 minutes on foot from the closest tramway station, so even if you have to take the transporter, it will be really convenient. So in this room you have a single bed, which is right here, but you also have a sofa bed right there. You see, it's unfolded very easily this way. So you have one single and one double bed. You have storage here, and there's the TV. And you already have the Wi-Fi internet, which is activated and running. There's a low table here, night table. You have a desk to work here. You have a little folding table right there. And of course, there's a lot of storage here, but also the embedded storage, which are here and up there. And you have the fridge, which is here, and the microwave right there. And here you have a few dishes and cutlery. So basically you have already everything you might need here. And I think that's it. So you see, it's a really nice room. You think it should be perfect for students or for workers. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. This was Guillaume for Spotahome Paris. Merci, à bientôt. Au revoir.